everyone, in this video I'm going to be walking you through how to make a kid's birthday invitation on Zazzle. So this is the invitation that we're going to be creating. It's dinosaur themed, where I'm going to walk you through exactly how I created it and so that you can create your own kids' birthday invitations, so any birthday invitation really. The first thing we want to do is grab our graphics pack, or if you're an illustrator or artist yourself, then you can absolutely make your own illustrations. Otherwise, I highly recommend grabbing a subscription to Creative Fabrica, and they have an endless supply of graphics at your fingertips that you can use. This is the graphics pack that I grabbed from Creative Fabrica. As you can see here, it has the full POD usage allowed, so that's awesome. And I downloaded that already. I've pulled what I needed into Zazzle, and let's get going designing this product. The first thing you want to do when creating a birthday invitation is find the birthday invitations. You want to make sure you're grabbing the proper cards when creating products, or they can get categorized wrong in the Zazzle marketplace. So best to just go into birthday invitations and click on a flat invitation if that's what you're after, or whatever one you want to create. But for the sake of this video, we're doing a flat invitation. And then we're going to click on Customize Design. First things first, I want to get the text that I need up on the page, and then I'm going to go from there. So let's start with the name. And I'm just going to copy and paste it. And you can, to edit the text, if you're not familiar, you can actually just double click. So you can do that, or you can click edit text in the top right there. Okay, so we've got all the details here, the time, the day, the location, and who to RSVP to. When you're creating your invitations, you may want to have this as one block of text. You may want to have it as multiple. That's totally up to you. And it might just depend on the design and the placement of every element on your invitation. So we're going to size these a little better. Let's get them all centered. Okay, I think that is roughly how the text is, and then let's get our design elements in here. So I have this one in the corner. And make sure also when you're designing that everything is staying within these dotted green lines, or they risk getting cut off when they get printed. And that goes for every product on Zazzle, not just cards. Okay, that's looking pretty good to me. And now we just need to set up the text templates. So the first one, we want to do it in order. Otherwise, we're going to have to mess with the URL parameter names. And if you don't understand the URL parameter names, I have a video. I'll link it below, and it explains exactly what that little function is. And I think that's it. So let's look at the product. Looks pretty good. I feel like it's a little top heavy. I think I want to bring these down a little bit more. And then I think on the back of the page, I want to have a background color, and I'm going to grab one of the colors, probably these blues, because there's a fair amount of blue. So I just like to grab a blue out of here, and then copy this, turn this back to a white background, go to the back, and add the background color. And how does that look? So we've got a cute little blue background color. I don't know that I love that background color. It looks kind of blah. Maybe I'll go with like an orange instead. I mean, the fun thing is too, is you can make multiple, I don't need to copy it because it should just show up here. You can make multiple colored backgrounds and the customer can pick which one they like. Yeah, I don't like that one either. I want something like a little bit brighter. Yeah, I like that. It's a little bit better. Okay, so we've got the design down. Let's double check our templates. We clearly made a mistake and didn't get the age in there. Says it, age. It's weird it didn't show up. Am I blind? Name, details, where is the age? Just glitching out. Let's try, oh, I see what happened. I think this might have been, I might have glitched that by accident. The toggle for allow editing on product page. So really important to make sure that this is toggled on if you want your product to be a template. So now I need to actually switch the URL parameter to text2 so that it ends up in the right place. And again, I'll link that video below if you're confused on what this thing is. Okay, there we go. So we've got our name, we've got our age, and we've got the details. It's all in there. I'm happy with this. Oops. And let's sell it. Let's get our titles. So kids, dinosaur, birthday. And we want to make sure that we've got the right invitation type selected in the department. Maybe we'll put orange. I don't know, a birthday card for any dinosaur loving child. And then you would obviously want to change the department to whatever category in your store that this product fits best into. You want to select the category. The recipient is going to be kids, any child really. I think it's boys and girls. And events are going to be a birthday. children. Yeah, okay. If you have a collection, you should definitely select your collection. And then tags. So birthday, invitation, gender neutral, dinosaur, birthday, party, kids. What kind of dinosaurs are in my thing? Oh God, how do you spell pterodactyl? I was not far off. What is, that's a T-Rex. T-Rex, Stegosaurus, is that right? Stegosaurus. There's also a butterfly. It's also colorful. And we'll also go with Jurassic for dinosaur. Oh, I used my 10. Let's get rid of colorful. Okay. So that's it. We've got our titles, kids, dinosaur themed, birthday. I'm going to put Jurassic Orange. A birthday card for any dinosaur loving child. This card features a T-Rex, a Stegosaurus, and a it's a hard one. Great. And oh, you know, one other thing actually I'd like to put on there is watercolor. And then enable, absolutely. 92%. Yeah, that sounds about right. Cool, so then we're gonna post it, and that's it. It's done. That is how you make a birthday card. You can use this template as an adult birthday, kid's birthday. It works for everything. And then the only other thing is, I'll go into it right now. For the details, you could make the time and day one little text template slot, and then the location another template, and then the RSVP another template, or you can make it all as one, or you can split it into two, whatever you want to do. It's totally up to you and whatever works for your design. So I hope this was helpful. If you learned something today, please give the video a like and be sure to subscribe for more Zazzle tips. Bye.